Yo guys, I'm here in Tobago as per usual with my two boys, David and Ariel, in the background there. And today we check in a little hidden gem that you've probably never been to. And I'm gonna let my boy tell you where it is. Ariel?
Yep.
Where we headed?
We're going to check Mini Lovers Bay here by Fort Bennett, and I hope everybody enjoys the video and the adventures with Trini so far and Island Girl Tours.
The man is unnatural in front of the camera. So just to give you a background, and I'm going to show you how to get to this place. You park by Fort Bennett, which is in Black Rock, Tobago, and you make your way down. Now this is off the beaten path a little bit, so you judge from the video if it's for you or not. Let's go and check it out. Fort Bennett is obviously a place worth visiting on its own. I've actually done a video here in the past. Maybe it's time to do a new one, but look at the views as you walk in.
Whoa, gorgeous water.
And now saying the water.
Yeah, I know, look at it. Whoa. Beautiful, beautiful. Tobago all the way, yes? Hi guys, so it's been a while since I've been here, over 3 years, so we're gonna go check it out as Alan said earlier. It's a bit of a hike down, nothing crazy, but we're gonna see the conditions and check it out, but it's so beautiful when you get there, right? So, Mini Lovers Bay.
So guys, I'm about halfway down this rope. It's not even rope, it's really like a cord. So be careful when holding on to this coming down. I will tell you now, it's not the hardest thing in the world, but definitely not for people who may have problems with their knees, struggle coming down a steepish hill. You need to be careful. That's 100% sure. Look, my boy coming down the hill there. Ariel, you cool?
Yeah.
And we heading down. Wow.
This channel is reminiscent.
Make sure I can hear you properly. Right, go for it.
This channel is a reminiscent of the one at the Back Bay Salt Pools. Beautiful, there's a lot of fish, you know, and lovely for swimming, and the beach is right there.
It looks amazing.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Woo! So we go into this beach over there in the corner. Wow.
Brother, you good? All right.
Guys, I just showing you, look at the, I mean, clearly the weather is showing off everything extra, but my God, Tobago's beauty is unreal. Wow, wow, wow. Man, we get real lucky on these Trini surfer vlogs there, but Lord have mercy, this weather and this place, I've never been here by the way. I'll take it here, enough talk.
And over here you kind of sit and step down, right?
Alright.
Touch them up in case you're flying.
I want to glide one down. It's no wonder I find myself in Tobago way too often these days. I mean, wow, what a place. We're right in there.
Just initials, Trini Surfer, Island Girl Tours, and Caribbean Maui.
Yes, IG.
Hey bro! Perfection. So when we go into Bay Ariel, we'll just walk over the rocks and go into the channel, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
You all enjoyed that drone footage because I now crashed my drone and broke it completely. So it's going back to the States to fix. So let me take you on a walk into the ocean with the GoPro. What incredible beauty Trinidad and Tobago has, yes? I ain't gonna lie, you might have to give it to Tobago for the beaches though. Wow.
The best.
The best. It's not overly deep, but there is currents that push and pull, and of course at certain times of the year it may be much more rough. So that's to be careful. You'll see now where I'm standing here. There's actually like a shelf rock that goes out into the bay, so you could walk up to your like navel height. Whereas if you see where David is, he could step off onto the side and look. So if I stand up here now, I'm all out of the water, and then I could jump way down to neck height like this. So non-swimmers, you know, be careful. You could walk and stuff, yes, but you'll reach a point where it gets too deep. So be warned, yeah? David and his silver hat.
Oh yeah.
My boy here from Easter Island. If all you know where that is, you're big.
The most isolated island
on the planet.
in the world.
Yeah.
And the most beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Well, I don't know, we'll fight here with Bago, you know.
Yeah. Let me
In
put
that
in.
side of the world.
And that side of the world.
You can't come to the beach without a nice treat. And my brethren here, Ariel, has brought us some homemade dips. He said we had a try.
Here we have some mango with the traditional mix like you prepare the chow, but you have to taste it to see what's going on with it.
And then get knocked down.
And the next one is a kind of guacamole, but it's also with the Caribbean taste. Okay.
And with Ariel's homemade hot sauce.
So guacamole dip with a spin, and mango dip with a Caribbean spin as well too.
Yes.
And homemade hot sauce.
Alright.
Yes.
Take a try.
So we let David test first.
I'll go with the guac.
David go to the guacamole.
Good.
Mm-hmm. The mango.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh, Julie.
Yeah.
Shucks.
And Ariel, you taste the mango.
No taste good.
It don't taste good, no good?
No, I know tastes good.
I'm gonna try this man's hot sauce is man.
I can't get one.
Yeah,
Let me get one. Come.
Take a try.
Give a try.
So I'll go in with the cricks. You know what cricks is, because that's Trini. And we're gonna taste the
Mango.
mango up first. Throw it away. Rubbish.
No good.
Next up is the guacamole.
Rubbish too.
Complete rubbish. Never eat anything from him ever in your life. It's real lashing. So guys, thank you very much for joining us on this vlog today. It was a great day out with the boys here. Check out Mini Lovers Bay. More importantly, book an experience with Trini Surfer and Island Girl. We could take you to places like this, anywhere in Tobago, places you've never seen, places you've always wanted to go. It's gonna be a good vibe and so much more. Guys, bless up.
Bless up.
Let's up.
Yeah, Tobago's a damn paradise.
It is.
Respect.
Woo!